Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. It's one of those times. This is your host, O'Shea Lennox, coming to you with another knife video. Now, I like this little knife here. I looked it up, and the price of it, brand spanking new, goes for like $9. I'm not going to keep it. I'm going to put it in on eBay for sale. Okay, hold up. This little thing is hard to handle. I think it's made out of all steel. And the name of this particular name, I know the name of this brand. Let me zoom in so y'all can see it. It's MTECH USA. Beautiful blade, very good condition. Very good condition with a little bottle opener on the end of it. Cool, with a little loop for you to put a oh, my nail. Oh, good gracious, look at this. I got this dirty fingernail. How did I miss that one? Y'all don't talk about me. Don't judge me. Let me take care of that real quickly. Whew. Can't be caught slipping around here. All right. Anyway, back to it. And the particular said it's MTECH, and it's also the number on this blade is MT-982, stainless china. That's good. Now, as always, y'all knife experts out there, y'all let me know. Y'all let me know know about this knife. What's up with it? Good knife, bad knife. You know what I'm saying? But it's in great condition. Let me see about closing this knife up. I'm very careful with closing knife because I'm not trying to cut myself. Okay, I forgot to measure it. Hold up. Try to keep these things under 2 minutes, 3 minutes to be precise. All right, let's see how long it is. It's approximately 5 inches, a little bit over 4.5. But all right, that's it for that one. Let me know. Drop them comments. Comment, like, subscribe to the channel if you like this and want to see more of them. And also, yeah, drop the comments. And as always, don't bury your talent. Matthew chapter 25, verse 14 through 30. Don't bury your talent. That's it for now, people.